everyone. Okay. Hi everyone. Sorry. I'm gonna do a house tour, Christmas house tour. I haven't. We didn't do anything last year because of my husband's stroke, and this year we decided to have a party to celebrate life because every day is precious and we're not taking it for granted anymore. And yeah, it's just day to day. You just never know what's gonna happen. So I decided to decorate, and boy, oh boy, I did. I decorated the heck out of stuff. So let's go this route. I'm going to try and go slow. Now I'm filming this on my phone with a selfie stick. So it may not be all that great, but I'm trying my best. I am no professional. I'm not a professional anything. Maybe a complainer. Maybe a complainer. I don't know. This has taken me quite a while to do. My daughter helped me with a little bit of it, but not too much, and so I am tired. I am so tired. So anyways, that's my entry. We're gonna go through the front door, and you're gonna see Ash. Ash is waiting because he's a mama's boy. This is what you see when you walk in. So that is a corner. And then this is my library straight ahead. Sorry, I'm going to shut the door, so it's going to be a little wobbly. We'll go in there in a second. Okay. So in this right here is the other side of my entryway. We got bully butt, and here comes the other one. So if you're a long-time subscriber of my channel, or even a fairly new, we had 4 bulldogs. Talwin died June 19th, and Dory died on Thanksgiving, so on Thursday. Very sudden, very unexpected, very sad. So yeah, so you only see the two bullies now. This is my library, so we're gonna go in here. My husband had a stroke, so he has a lot of medical equipment. I cannot move it, and nor will I, so we'll just go around it. It's not a big deal. So this is the corner. This is our, this is our library. But I guess back in the day it was probably our living room. Yeah, because we have a family living room combo. This is my formal dining room to the left. You guys have seen room tours of that. I did not decorate it this year. I'm tired, and yeah, life isn't the same right now. So I didn't, no time, no money to decorate this side. So it's still plain old Jane. That's okay. That is okay. We're going to focus on the Christmas stuff. That is just so adorable. I love how the tree came out. And I love everything about this. Now we have the big cardinal because for us, we believe the cardinal is our puppies. And they are with us for Christmas. So the library, I didn't decorate too much this year. I have a lot of health problems, and one of the biggest ones I have is fibromyalgia, and oh my God, my body hurts so bad, you guys. Plus I have 2 torn meniscus, both my left and my right, so I'm having a hard time with that too. This is for our puppies. They had their own stockings, so Dory, Ash, Anvil, and Talwin. Yeah, so I decided to leave them up because they're still with us for this Christmas, so in spirit. So I'm not going to worry about it. And so yeah, I'm not going to cry. This is our bar. So in our library, we have our bar. And I love how this came out too. So I'll try and pan. Okay. This is our house. We own this house, so I don't care that this was a formal dining room. This is now my sewing area. And you know what? Whatever. It's your house. You do whatever you want with it. And, you know, whatever. So when we move, people can change it to what they want. So this is my kitchen. I do not prefer stuff on my counters. I have to have clean counters. It's just me. And so I'm sure it could be really cute if I had, stuff on there, but I just don't want to. So, and then let me go up high. So this year I decided to make this room the gingerbread room. So I'll turn off the lights, and that way maybe that might help. I was thinking it would help, be more fun, but to see more, but it might be a little too bright. So then I have the 2 gingerbreads up there, and then up there. So the gingerbread theme really worked out in here, and I loved it. I think 2 years ago it was Candyland, and I didn't like it as much. And so this year I decided to change things up, and that's why I made the Candyland into the front door instead. I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to turn off the light, you guys. There we go. It'll adjust, hopefully. There we go. So. All right. Then we're going to go into the family room. So this year I was able to put 10 trees in the house, you guys. So 10 trees. I'm so happy about that. This is how it looks. And it looks like it's crowded, but it's not. It's not crowded at all. So, which I'm very, very thankful for, because I don't like clutter. My craft rooms are cluttered enough, you know what I mean? So I'm like, my craft rooms, I have 6 at this point, are all filled to the brim. So that is a new addition, this corner over here, and I love it. So we do have their stockings over here also. Our puppies are our life, so they are. So there's Dory, Ash, Anvil, and Talwin. And then our 3 originals. We're missing one. We have Bus who died also, but I don't have any pictures of Bus up right now, and I need to do that. So we have rescued 8 bullies in total. They're all rescues. They're all my loves. So stockings, Tim, Mandy, Matt, Cheyenne, Cordell. There's 5 of us. This year I left the fireplace a little bit more plain, and I like it. Down here I stuffed it a little bit more. The mouse came from Home Depot like 2 years ago, I think, 2 or 3 years ago. The Santa chairs my father-in-law made, and he was always Santa, and he retired from Santa. He ended up getting cancer, and he's recovering. But yeah, and so I asked for them, and he gave them to me. So now I use them for here. I use them for my decor, and I love it. It's really bright out here in California right now, so sorry. You'll see some of the same things that, I've done 2 room tours. I'm going to pan this way, you guys. 2 room tours, or 2 house tours. Christmas tours, sorry, jeez. And that's our TV. The dog's food was right here behind the couch. So that's what I hit, so sorry. So yeah, this is our family room, I guess you could say. I never can tell living room, family room. I think family room is the one that you're in the most, right? I never been good at that stuff. My husband and I, we watch TV in our room, or we watch TV in the nook right here. This is what we call our kitchen nook, and this is where we watch TV when we eat dinner and stuff. It's just my husband and I, and then that's his little corner. I was debating, putting it away for the video, and I'm like, no, you know what? Reality is he had a stroke. This is his homeschooling stuff, so this is his. Where he sits right there where the pink chair is at, and that's all his work stuff, his workbooks to do his homework and his waters and his Kleenex and stuff. So I was like, that's, and so we're gonna go down to the bathroom anvil. So I decorate. Oh wait, sorry. Let me go pan slow. I forgot the third bathroom. I didn't show you the third bathroom. So this one, my dad is dark skinned, and so we this is what I call my little redneck bathroom, because there's so many signs in here that are inappropriate. Oh, Tim must have used the last paper towel. Sorry, it's empty. And my dad is dark skinned, so we call this my daddy bathroom. So he just rolls his eyes at me. He's like, whatever. It used to have a carpet, but we can't have it used to have a little Santa carpet, but we can't because Tim will fall. So all fall stuff we move out of the way. Rugs, carpets, that kind of thing. So this is the second bathroom. And look at Ash. He's enjoying the air. So these are quilts I've made. Oh, I didn't turn on the lights, you guys. Sorry, hold on, let me turn on the light. Whoop, sorry, wrong one. Back up, beep, beep, beep. There we go. Okay, so these are quilts. We're having a Christmas party on Saturday, so I had Halloween candy because we didn't have any kids come up. So I put them in here, and so then guests can take a candy bar if they want. So, but I made that years ago. Well, she's probably like 10 years ago. I made this one. They're usually in every video because I have nowhere else to put them at. Whatever. And so this is. So this is the Grinch bathroom. Oh, I forgot to. Anvil. You gotta move, baby. Anvil. So that's what it looks like. Sorry if I went too fast on that. The Grinch is so cute. I love the Grinch. My husband not so much, but he indulges me because he just doesn't care. They're both looking. I love the fact that Trader Joe's has the Grinch tree. That's so awesome. And I have little mints, or the Grinch chocolates for guests if that's what they want to take. And then this is a quilt I made. Let me shut the door. And you've seen this in other videos. But I made this specifically for here, and it fit perfect. So what do you think, you guys? Good house tour? Christmas house tour. And they have to wait for me. So I think that is it. So not too shabby. Like you can see why I hurt, right? I did all this pretty much by myself. The kids helped take down all the bins. All the bins. I think I have like 28 to 30 Christmas bins up in our attic, which is, up high. And they took all the bins down for me. My daughter and my son, or my son-in-law, and I appreciate that so much. Without them doing that, I wouldn't have been able to decorate. So appreciate them and love them. So if it wasn't for them taking it down, I wouldn't have been able to have a party or to decorate. So, but it, so worth it, you guys. So fun just to see Tim smile. Tim smiled so big, and it was amazing. So I love it. All right, guys, take care. Have a very, very, very Merry Christmas, and we will see you soon. All right, take care.